Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 1st to 5th December 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So here I have already opened the chart. Currently let's talk about what was the closing on Friday. So here 0.08% negative closing, 1.32268 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart here. So this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle. We can see a good bullish candle and a small lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at the oversold area, which is around 0 to 8 level, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our 1-day chart. So this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Here we can see a bit of a new data in the upside. We are marking the same data. You can also mark the data on your charts as well. So now we don't need to mark any such levels. Let's talk about the closing first. So here 1.32268 was the closing. The direct support is 1.32035 and direct resistance is 1.32430. After direct support, there is a support of 1.31734 and then 1.31437. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.32677 and then 1.32892. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias and also according to the momentum from the overall trend. So here, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared two Profom links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or Profom, I already made a dedicated video on what is Profom, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. I have also shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take a discount on the Blueberry funded account for any challenges that you buy. So do use that as well for your any discounts. Currently, let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD on for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative move which is around in this end, that is 1.31734 to 1.32035. I'm expecting a closing in this range. If you're going for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade once 1.32430 gets breached and a 1-day candle or a 4-hour candle gets close above this, and we can go for your target till 1.32677. So overall, my expectations a bit negative in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.